Hey everybody! So this video is about something called the particle model, which is basically the big idea for all of chemistry. And it's the fact that if you zoom into any object in the universe, then what you see are tiny little objects, often round, but not always, and we call those tiny objects particles. So here we are in Melbourne at Flinders Street Station. So if you zoom into the bricks that make up Flinders Street Station, you would see a whole lot of tiny particles making up those bricks. And if you look at the tram, if you zoom in far enough into the metal of the tram, you'd also see a whole lot of tiny particles making up the metal in that tram. The same goes for gases as well. So the air all around us, it's made of tiny air particles. And even people. We're still objects, and if you zoom into our bodies, all our bodies are made up of tiny particles as well. And that's basically what the particle model is. So scientists discovered that everything's made of tiny particles, and that's what chemists and physicists have been studying over the last few hundreds of years. What's in those particles, how do they work, and how do they combine together in chemical reactions? So to put it simply, the particle model is just the fact that all objects in the universe are made of tiny objects called particles. And the more scientific word for an object is matter. So every physical thing is made of, we call it matter. So all matter is made of tiny objects called particles. And that's what the particle model is.